Sony HDR-CX220-B high-definition Handycam Camcorder. Full HD with 8.9MP Exmor R CMOS sensor. Create high-definition 1920 by 1080 60p videos and high-quality 8.9MP still images. Experience stunning low light sensitivity. With improved image clarity and drastically reduced grain with Sony's back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor. Designed for compact cameras and camcorders, the Exmor R CMOS sensor relocates the photodiodes above the support circuitry, maximizing the light gathering area per pixel. Shoot with better results in lower lighting. Get clear, shake-free video with SteadyShot image stabilization. Shoot up close and still fit the whole family in with 32x extended zoom. And a wide-angle Carl Zeiss lens. Even record in AVCD or MP4 formats ideal for big-screen TVs or YouTube uploads. It comes with SteadyShot image stabilization with active mode. It compensates for greater degrees of camera shake to deliver stunningly smooth video from wide angle to full telephoto shooting. In addition, innovative three-way shake cancelling adds electronic roll stability for even smoother video capture. Extended zoom works in conjunction with 27x optical zoom. The professional quality 29.8mm Carl Zeiss variotessor lens is designed for compact camcorders. Precision ground optics help maintain the sharpness and contrast of larger lenses. And SteadyShot image stabilization helps reduce blur caused by camera shake. 2.7-inch, 16:9, clear photo LCD, 230K, displays sharp, bright, vivid images. You can compose a shot easily, even outdoors, while enabling you to change settings to best represent the scene. Select between HD video in the AVCD or MP4 format for highest quality for easy transfer and sharing. AVCD provides premium video that can be enjoyed on large screen HD TVs. MP4 is great for those moments that you want to quickly share on your social networks or store on the cloud. Store your memories in a whole new way with the ability to copy videos from camcorder directly to an external hard disk drive 13, sold separately, without a computer. The camcorder can also access videos stored on the external hard drive for playback on HDTV4. The high-speed, built-in USB 2.0 cable allows for easy connection to computer for charging or file transfer without the separate cables. It also fits conveniently into the hand strap. Intelligent Auto Mode goes a step beyond traditional auto modes. By analyzing your shot and then automatically selecting the appropriate settings from 10 distinct scene modes and white noise reduction. There are 60 different combinations possible: portrait, baby, tripod, backlight, landscape, spotlight, twilight, macro, low light. It is lightweight, compact, sturdy, and very user-friendly. To purchase Sony HDR-CX220-B HD Handycam Camcorder, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.